Welcome to HH Beauty Garden. With over a decade of nurturing blooms, I'm thrilled to share one of my most cherished secrets for creating a thriving rose garden: propagating roses from cuttings. This simple, yet incredibly effective technique will have your rose bushes flourishing, with roots overnight and blooming year-round. If you're passionate about gardening and love propagating plants by hand, then today's video is definitely for you. Where are you watching from? Leave us a comment. We'd love to connect with talented gardeners from all around the world. Here's my tried and true method. Step 1. Selecting and preparing your cuttings. First, choose healthy, young branches. Not too new, not too old. About 15 to 20 centimeters long. Look for those with at least 2 to 3 leaf buds, free from pests, and boasting a lush green color. Once you have your perfect cuttings, carefully remove all leaves and thorns, paying close attention to those precious buds. Make a clean cut at a 45-degree angle just below the bottom leaf node. This increases the surface area exposed to your growing medium, encouraging better root development. My secret tip. After making your cuts, I always sprinkle a little turmeric powder on the cut ends. Turmeric is a natural antibacterial powerhouse, protecting your cuttings from infection and helping them heal faster. It's like a natural bandage for your roses. Step 2. Crafting your root stimulant solution. This is where the magic happens. Rice water base. Take 3 spoons of rice and add 500 milliliters of water. Stir it well. Rice water is packed with nutrients and encourages beneficial microorganisms. Cover it and let it sit for a few hours so all those wonderful nutrients can fully dissolve. Turmeric infusion. Next, mix 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder with another 500 milliliters of water and stir thoroughly. As I mentioned, turmeric has incredible natural antibacterial and antifungal properties, which are crucial for preventing root rot. Plus, the curcumin in turmeric actually supports tissue regeneration and stimulates root growth safely and naturally. Cover this solution and let it sit for several hours to allow the active ingredients to fully penetrate the water. Filtering for purity. After about 3 hours of soaking, I always filter the turmeric solution to remove any residue. This is a vital step because turmeric residue can clog and hinder your cutting's ability to absorb nutrients. I often use a soft cloth soaked in the turmeric solution to gently wipe down the cuttings. This adds an extra layer of protection against infection and gives root formation a little boost. Ultimate blend. Finally, I mix the strained rice water with the filtered turmeric solution. This creates the absolute ideal nutrient mixture, which I've found significantly improves both rooting and overall growth. Remember to strain your rice water thoroughly to remove any impurities for a cleaner, more absorbable solution. Once your mixture is ready, soak the base of your cuttings in this solution for about 20 minutes. This is ample time for the nutrients to seep in, ensuring your cuttings are primed for success. Step 3. Creating your mini greenhouse. For the growing medium, I use clean, filtered sand, free from any impurities. Moisten the sand with your newly created rice water and turmeric powder mixture. This natural blend not only promotes rooting, but also boosts the vitality and growth of your cuttings. Gently insert your prepared rose stems into the moistened sand. Then, cover your cutting tray with a transparent lid to maintain high and stable humidity. This mini greenhouse effect is key. Place your tray in a cool spot, away from direct sunlight, but where it receives soft, indirect light. The incredible results. After just 10 to 14 days, you'll start to see the amazing transformation. Young roots will begin to form at the leaf buds, and vibrant light green buds will vigorously develop. These are clear signs that your branches have adapted and are growing beautifully. Once the roots and shoots have developed steadily, you can confidently transfer your rooted cuttings to a permanent pot, filled with loose, well-draining soil for continued care. Thank you for joining me in the HH Beauty Garden. I truly hope this method of propagating roses with rice water and turmeric powder helps you cultivate many healthy, strong-rooted, and beautifully blooming rose plants. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on my next natural gardening tips. Wishing you all the success, and always cherish your little garden. 1.